In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page to Microsoft Forms. This process will help you create a personalized message for respondents after they complete your form. A friendly thank you message can enhance user experience and encourage engagement with your brand. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can do this by typing Microsoft Forms into your preferred search engine. As you search, you will see several results related to Microsoft Forms. Look for the official Microsoft link, which usually appears at the top of the search results. This is important because using the official site ensures that you are accessing the most secure and updated version of the software. Once you've located the correct link, click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. This step is crucial because logging in allows you access to all the features of Microsoft Forms, including the ability to modify your forms. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of Microsoft Forms where you can start working on your forms. Now, open your form in Microsoft Forms. If you already have a form created, it will be listed on your dashboard. Click on the form you wish to modify to open it. You will see the questions and settings related to that specific form. This is where the magic happens, as you will soon add a thank you message that respondents will see after submitting their answers. Make sure you are in the correct form before continuing, as this ensures that the changes you make will be applied where you intend them to be. From there, click on Settings. You can find the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, located in the upper right corner of the screen. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your form, including the thank you message. The Settings menu is essential because it provides you with options that enhance the functionality of your form. Taking a moment to explore these options can prove beneficial as you become more familiar with Microsoft Forms. Next up, check the box next to Customize Thank You Message. This option is typically found within the Settings menu. By checking this box, you are indicating that you want to personalize the message that respondents will see after they submit their form. This small action is significant because it allows you to create a more engaging and tailored experience for those who fill out your form. Once you check this box, you will be able to enter your unique message in the next step. After that, type your custom message into the text field. For example, you might write, "Thank you for your response. We will review your application and get back to you within 3 business days." Make sure your message is clear and reflects the purpose of your form. This is your opportunity to express gratitude and provide any necessary information to the respondents. Crafting a thoughtful message can leave a positive impression and encourage future interactions. With that ready, you can now save your changes and close the Settings menu. This ensures that the thank you message you created is now active and will be displayed to all respondents. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This step is vital to ensure your personalized message is indeed ready for your audience to see. By following these steps, you have successfully added a thank you page to your Microsoft form. This simple yet effective enhancement can significantly improve the overall experience for your respondents, making them feel valued. Thank you for watching and happy form building.